These beans in this spot are a little bit shorter. I've been combining this field. It's really tough conditions. The stalks are very green. Beans are testing about 15.2, 15.4 for moisture, 58 point something test weight. But this head doesn't feed very good, and I hate that that reel hesitates every time the header height reacts. Not sure why that is. If anybody's got any ideas, let me know. It'd be nice if it never did that. But this is some of the toughest beans I've ever combined. The stalks are, they don't look that green, but they are green. See, when I go down, the reel, it's the downstroke, the reel starts to act funny. I don't remember doing this before, but I haven't had beans in 2 years, so I don't remember. I gotta slow down a little bit or we're gonna have trouble. And I got that reel way down because it won't sweep them in, otherwise they'll just sit there and pile up, and then you slug the feeder house. I almost slugged the rotor once, which I've never done on this combine yet, slug the rotor. This is a rank bean, and it looks pretty decent. Raise the reel just a hair. I can't raise it much. It'll start piling up. I think it's going to be better than 65 bushels an acre on this field. And the field across the driveway over there is probably going to be better than that, I think. The light colored beans, that's a Northrop King. They're pretty even for, I can't tell which one's doing better. I made a round straight up and down on each one and looked at the bin, unloaded, then did the Northrop King and they looked about the same. The Northrop King might be just a shade taller. And when I checked the bin was about an inch difference from the Northrop King having just that much more bean in it after one round. So it's not a big, you know, that was the long rounds. It's not a big difference. But probably Northrop King just a slight edge. Ever so slight. So this is the start of the bean crop harvest for 2021. That's all.